Hey guys, today I just wanted to stream music in Google Home, and for some reason I couldn't enable the casting. So I will show you a little bit. So when I play music here, I would like to cast it directly, and then I have this option here that I can cast. But however, it keeps searching all the time, but nothing happens. So instead, what is actually I have to do is I have to go Google Home app, and then I have to go uh, to the device, and then I have to click Start Casting. Now they will be connected directly to the Google Home through Wi-Fi. So of course we have to make sure that they have connected to the same Wi-Fi. So once this is done, then I am able now click and play the music through the Google Home. Then of course this means that you can activate the voice command, but of course the music then from YouTube will stop. And of course when the music finish and doesn't have the automatic start the next music, then it will also stop on the Google Home. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you, and please leave your comments. See you on the next video.